everyone. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Jane's Marketing Channel. Today's clip will guide you a tool for us to create a series of fan pages automatically on Facebook. And we will create automated pages with Facebook accounts. This is the main interface of the software. Bulk page management. This software will help us manage lots of Facebook accounts. You can see it here. I have that's 200 Facebook accounts. And we can actually use these Facebook accounts create a page and use it to post, share, and so on. And here we can add a dynamic proxy or static proxy. Today, I will guide everyone. The part is automatic page creation. So we'll first choose the accounts. For example, I will select these accounts. Let me create a page. Next, to be able to create fan pages. So we have to fill information, for example, the name of this fan page. I've already filled in these names. This name it's possible to let the names of the brands or a real name to let us go. Spam messages and so on. Here we will choose not to touch the same page name and create page name in order. I'll leave the list as entertainment. In this bio, you can put the contact information or our service. We can absolutely add more. These schools are like website phone number and so on, email address, and in the end, we're going to choose the A's. Profile picture of these fan pages, and choose the covers of the fan pages. I have already made these covers. Once that information is available, the software will use these pages to create automatically. Use these Facebook accounts create automatically, and take random information is used to create a fan page. Everybody, I will create a page for each account and I just need to start now. The software will automatically create. The software is software. Version 2 will run in the background. I'll show you later. I'll give you the results. You can see that some parts are faulty. However, these errors, it's because Facebook accounts have created too many pages. The accounts is restricted. If you blocked create page, you will not be able to create it. There are other accounts you can create. Normally, I would turn it on for everyone now. Watch this. For example, an account 174 and 1120. I will open these accounts to check. I have all my information here. That's it, and here you see it just created 3 minutes ago. It was created 3 minutes ago. This is another account. V2 software runs in the background, so it creates pages very quickly. Just created 4 minutes ago and full info. And then we can actually use the fan pages. Go spam message, comment, and so on automatically. This is the end. Bye everyone and see you soon in the following clips.